Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I will install the indicator live here, but first of all I want to test the indicator live in my live account. You see that the arrow comes for signals, so I am opening so many positions here. I know that market will give a spike with the help of this mobile phone boom and crash Smashy spike detector, guys. This is the Smashy mobile spike detector. After placing trades we can hold here. If you will hold, then we can make a lot of profit, guys. The stop loss is always 5 to 7 candles of M1 time frame. This indicator is one of the most accurate indicator that we are using, and my clients, so many clients has purchased the indicator. Now they are making money also, guys. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in description. Okay, let's hold. Then what happens that we can catch a spike or not. We will catch a spike on boom and also in crash. I have placed trades in crash, but I did not record the video. But after a spike I will show you the trades that we crash trades. Okay, guys, you see I'm opening so many position using 0.50 lot size here to catch a good spike to making a lot of money every day, guys. So we can hold here to make a huge profit. So many people are confused that how to install this indicator in our phone. So this is indicator. You see that, guys, the small spike. So I will close all trades. The spike has done. Now we will see the crash 500 crash market. Let me check the crash market that I have put trades. You see, guys, there is also a spike on crash. So 500 we will close all trades here. Now I will show you the installation, that how to install the video. Never ever confuse, guys. Installation is very easy. You don't need any laptop or computer. This indicator will install direct to your MetaTrader 5 in Android and iPhone mobile phone. Okay, Android also use this. Okay, now install the indicator. Let's show you, guys. There is a Smashy mobile version spike detector. We will just click in this indicator to access our indicator in our phone, guys. Okay, this is the Smashy mobile version spike detector. You just click here, or you just to click and wait. Now the next access is come here. You see that access the indicator. We have to put our login number of MetaTrader 5 Deriv. Okay, so I am putting my Deriv login number here. I will put my login number of Deriv, and then I will put my password of Deriv login number and password here. Okay, after password and login number I have to type here my MT5 ID number, meta codes ID number, where you will find go to on the MetaTrader 5 settings. Okay, let's show you that. Go to setting and see the meta codes ID. You have to copy your this ID number of meta codes. Okay, I am going to copy the meta codes ID number. You see I have copy, and now I will paste an MT5 ID. Okay, I will put here my meta codes ID number, then it will be done. This file will automatically save your options. Now we want to check our chart that it's appear or not. Now you see that, guys, we have applied the chart indicator in our chart. You see the arrows, and I put this trade according to the signal of spike with arrow, guys. You see that still my trade is running in profit with the help of this indicator. You can get this file from me. Join WhatsApp, the link in description.